Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the file explorer tabs are not showing or not opening on your computer, then watch this video to find the solution. Normally when we open file explorer after the recent H2 update, we should be able to click on add new tab and we'll get a new tab and we can search for the new tabs. But if this is not showing on your computer, then we need to run a Windows update. Right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and this should normally resolve the issue. But if it doesn't, then we will have to run a SFC scan. For that we need to open command prompt, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. We will input the command here in this box, sfc space slash scannow, and press enter. Wait for the scan to run, and once it finishes, then we will do a disk cleanup. For that we will do check for disk cleanup, click on it, click on OK, and then check all the boxes in this window and click on OK. Click on delete files, and once this is deleted, then you can restart the computer and it should be working fine. Your file explorer should start being able to add the buttons. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.